How to fix KB5050081 fails to install in Windows 10. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Windows includes a built-in troubleshooter that can automatically detect and resolve common update issues. Sometimes, update components get stuck, preventing new updates from installing properly. Restarting the related services may help. Scroll down a bit to find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, BITS. If it is already running, right-click and select Restart. If the service is not running, double-click it, pick Automatic under the Startup Type drop-down menu. Click Start, Apply, and OK. Repeat this process for Windows Update and cryptographic services. Resetting Windows Update components can resolve issues caused by corrupted update files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.